Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where innovation meets everyday living. Today, we're diving into something cool, literally, the EUHOMY commercial Undercounter Nugget ice maker machine, a premium stainless steel unit designed for both home and commercial use. If you love refreshing drinks or need a steady ice supply for your cafe, bar, or restaurant, this might just be your next essential investment. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker stands out because it produces up to 70 pounds of soft, chewable nugget ice per day, perfect for cocktails, smoothies, and iced coffee. Unlike regular cube ice, nugget ice is airy, absorbent, and easy on your teeth. It chills drinks faster while maintaining a smoother texture. Built with a sleek undercounter or freestanding design, this machine integrates beautifully into any modern kitchen or commercial setup. Its compact footprint and brushed silver finish give it that professional-grade look, while still being easy to install in tight spaces. Inside, you'll find double removable ice baskets that can store a large quantity of ice, keeping you well-stocked even during busy hours. The machine features intelligent sensing technology that automatically stops ice production when the basket is full, no overflow, no waste. One of the standout features is its self-cleaning system. With just one button, the machine activates an automatic cleaning cycle, removing impurities and keeping your ice fresh and hygienic. This is perfect for reducing maintenance time and extending the machine's lifespan. The 24-hour programmable timer lets you set when the ice-making process starts or stops, helping you save energy while ensuring you always have ice when needed. Its powerful compressor and efficient cooling system ensure consistent performance while keeping noise levels low. Whether you're running a cafe, a bar, or just want to elevate your home drink setup, the EUHOMY Commercial Nugget Ice Maker delivers top-tier reliability, capacity, and convenience. If you're ready to turn your kitchen or business into a cool haven, this machine is your perfect partner for non-stop, premium nugget ice. Don't forget to buy it now on Amazon and hit subscribe for more daily tech and appliance reviews right here on Gadgetverse.